So I just got done showing you how to like clean your utensil bin and tray and all that kind of stuff, and just clean different things. One thing people forget is the refrigerator. So obviously you want to clean the inside of the refrigerator, right? You're going to clean everything, get everything organized, throw out old food. Here's what you also need to do. You also need to clean the edges. Right there, that affects whether or not the door shuts and how much energy you spend cooling everything. But not only that, you also need to clean the handles in here. Most people do not do this. It's something we do in commercial kitchens all the time, especially the one I used to have. I'm a bit of a neat freak, so I mean, think about it. And right here, it's like all sticky, and yeah, you can tell like people have been touching this, and they've had stuff on their fingers because whatever, you have guests over, and they're not always the cleanest people. So make sure you get that clean, and then we'll clean all the outside stuff, and then we'll go inside internally. We'll clean out the ice bin, let it dry, and then put it back in there. These are all things you should be doing routinely in your home, so that you don't have dirty ice, or you don't have like right there, that was just gross. Right there is very gross. I need to clean that. So just things like that. Just get rid of the stickiness. Just clean it all. Cheers. So I'm just going to take a disinfectant rag and just boom, it's that easy. Just go in there and make sure that we're getting the entire thing. And if you feel anything sticky or tacky or whatever, that's what you want to get rid of, right? So this side didn't really have that. There's a little bit right here. You can actually hear it. So we'll get rid of that. And if we can't do it with this, we'll grab some steel wool and do it that way, because it's on the inside, it's not on the outside. And then this has a lot of stickiness, and yeah, just even doing that's gross. So I don't know if they're eating ice cream with their fingers or what they're doing and then putting it back, but we just want to make sure that we get it clean. And then when you grab the refrigerator door, you don't feel so gross if there's stuff on it. So there was something right here, so we'll get that. But I can't really show you because that picture's so close. But yeah, you get the idea. So yeah, just keep things clean. Just clean it all. Cheers.